Northern and Southern Home Styles. Chapter 1, Northern Home Styles.
Victorian home styles.
Victorian home styles, named after the reign of Queen Victoria, 1837 to 1901, are known for their intricate and ornate designs, which reflect the opulence and grandeur of the era. These homes, popular in both northern and southern regions of the United States, showcase a variety of architectural features that make them distinct and highly sought after. Typical Victorian homes are characterized by their asymmetrical facades, steeply pitched roofs, and decorative gables. One of the most recognizable features is the use of elaborate trim, often referred to as gingerbread detailing, which adorns the eaves, porches, and windows. These homes often feature expansive wraparound porches, turrets, and bay windows that create a dynamic and visually appealing exterior. The exteriors of Victorian homes frequently display a vibrant and varied color palette, with contrasting trim colors that highlight the intricate details. The use of different materials, such as wood, stone, and brick, adds to the textural richness of these structures. Inside, Victorian homes are equally elaborate, with high ceilings, large windows, and intricate woodwork. The interiors often feature richly patterned wallpapers, ornate plasterwork, and elegant fireplaces as focal points in the main living areas. Stained glass windows and detailed ceiling medallions are also common, adding to the home's overall sense of luxury and refinement. Victorian homes are known for their complex floor plans, which include numerous rooms such as parlors, libraries, and formal dining rooms. These spaces are typically separated by pocket doors or heavy draperies, providing both privacy and a sense of formality. In the southern regions, Victorian homes often incorporate elements that help to mitigate the warmer climate, such as large porches with overhanging roofs that provide shade and promote airflow. In contrast, northern Victorian homes might include features like more robust insulation and enclosed vestibules to buffer against colder weather. Despite their historical roots, many Victorian homes have been updated with modern amenities while preserving their unique architectural character. Renovations often include modern kitchens and bathrooms, updated electrical and plumbing systems, and energy-efficient windows, all while maintaining the home's original charm. The enduring appeal of Victorian homes lies in their ability to combine historical elegance with contemporary living. Whether situated in the bustling streets of a northern city or the serene landscapes of the southern countryside, Victorian homes continue to captivate with their timeless beauty and intricate craftsmanship.
Farmhouse-style homes.
Farmhouse-style homes, rooted in rural and agricultural traditions, embody a blend of simplicity, practicality, and rustic charm. These homes are designed to be functional and comfortable, reflecting the needs of farm families in both northern and southern regions of the United States. Farmhouse-style homes are characterized by their straightforward, often symmetrical design. The exteriors typically feature wide, inviting porches that serve as transitional spaces between the indoors and outdoors. These porches are often supported by simple, sturdy columns and are perfect for relaxing and enjoying the surrounding landscape. The roofs are usually steeply pitched and covered with durable materials like metal or shingles, designed to withstand the elements. Clad in wood or board and batten siding, farmhouse exteriors often boast a weathered, natural look that adds to their charm. Neutral color palettes, such as whites, grays, and earthy tones, are common, often accented with darker trim colors. Inside, farmhouse-style homes prioritize open, airy spaces. The interiors are designed with functionality in mind, featuring large, open kitchens that serve as the heart of the home. These kitchens often include spacious islands, farmhouse sinks, and ample storage, making them ideal for both cooking and gathering. The use of natural materials, such as reclaimed wood, exposed beams, and hardwood floors, is prevalent, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Farmhouse interiors are also known for their mix of vintage and modern elements. Antique furniture, rustic decor, and simple, clean lines blend seamlessly with contemporary comforts. Large windows allow for plenty of natural light, enhancing the sense of openness and connection to the outdoors. The layout of farmhouse-style homes is typically open and fluid, with spaces that can easily accommodate large families or gatherings. Common features include barn doors, shiplap walls, and built-in cabinetry, all contributing to the home's functional and aesthetic appeal. In both northern and southern regions, farmhouse-style homes can be adapted to suit the local climate and landscape. Northern farmhouses might include enclosed mudrooms and more substantial insulation to handle colder weather, while southern farmhouses often incorporate elements like screened-in porches and large windows to promote ventilation and keep the home cool. The enduring appeal of farmhouse-style homes lies in their ability to provide a comfortable, welcoming environment that balances practicality with rustic elegance. Whether set on sprawling acres of farmland or nestled in a suburban neighborhood, these homes offer a timeless connection to simpler, more relaxed ways of living.
Chapter 2, Sunbelt Home Styles of the South.
Ranch-style homes.
Ranch-style homes, also known as rambler homes, are a quintessential American architectural style that emerged in the 1920s and gained widespread popularity in the post-World War II era. These homes are known for their single-story layout, long and low profile, and open floor plans, making them a practical and comfortable choice for many homeowners. One of the defining features of ranch-style homes is their horizontal orientation. The long, low roofline and wide facade create a sprawling appearance that blends seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. The exterior materials often include brick, wood, or stucco, with large windows and sliding glass doors that enhance the connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Ranch homes typically feature an attached garage, which was a novel concept when these homes first became popular. The integration of the garage into the overall design adds to the home's convenience and functionality. Inside, ranch-style homes are designed for easy living. The open floor plan allows for a natural flow between the living, dining, and kitchen areas, creating a spacious and inviting environment. The single-story layout is ideal for families with young children or elderly members, as it eliminates the need for stairs and promotes accessibility. The interiors often showcase a blend of traditional and modern elements. Wood paneling, built-in shelving, and large fireplaces are common features that add warmth and character. The use of natural materials and earthy color palettes further enhances the home's cozy and welcoming atmosphere. Bedrooms and bathrooms are typically located off a central hallway, providing privacy while maintaining the overall openness of the layout. Large windows and glass doors are strategically placed to maximize natural light and provide easy access to outdoor patios and gardens. Ranch-style homes are particularly well-suited to warm climates, such as those found in the southern and western United States. The expansive windows and sliding doors promote cross-ventilation, helping to keep the home cool during hot summer months. Additionally, the large outdoor spaces are perfect for entertaining and enjoying the mild weather. In the northern regions, ranch-style homes often incorporate features like fireplaces and well-insulated walls to ensure comfort during colder months. Modern ranch homes may also include updated amenities such as energy-efficient windows, smart home technology, and contemporary kitchens and bathrooms, all while preserving the classic charm of the original design. The enduring appeal of ranch-style homes lies in their versatility and adaptability. Whether set in a suburban neighborhood, a rural setting, or an urban landscape, these homes offer a practical and stylish solution for comfortable living. The timeless design continues to attract homeowners who appreciate the blend of simplicity, functionality, and elegance that ranch-style homes provide.
Mediterranean home-style homes.
Mediterranean-style homes, inspired by the coastal regions of Spain, Italy, and Greece, are renowned for their distinctive and elegant architectural elements. These homes are designed to evoke the relaxed, airy atmosphere of the Mediterranean coast, combining beauty with functionality. One of the most recognizable features of Mediterranean homes is their red-tiled roofs, often with a low-pitched or flat design. The exterior walls are typically stucco, painted in warm, earthy tones like terracotta, beige, and sand, which complement the natural surroundings. Arched doorways and windows are a signature element, adding to the home's classic and timeless appeal. Mediterranean homes often include spacious, open courtyards or patios that serve as extensions of the living space. These areas are perfect for outdoor dining and entertaining, reflecting the Mediterranean lifestyle that emphasizes indoor-outdoor living. Inside, Mediterranean-style homes are designed with an emphasis on comfort and elegance. The interiors often feature high ceilings with exposed wooden beams, large windows that allow for ample natural light, and tiled floors that keep the home cool in warm climates. Color palettes tend to be warm and inviting, incorporating natural hues that create a harmonious and serene environment. Decorative details such as wrought iron fixtures, hand-painted tiles, and ornate woodwork are commonly found throughout the home, adding to its character and charm. Mediterranean homes are also known for their spacious and airy rooms, with an open floor plan that promotes a sense of flow and connectivity between spaces. In both northern and southern regions, Mediterranean-style homes are appreciated for their ability to stay cool in the heat, making them ideal for warmer climates. They often feature elements like shaded loggias, fountains, and lush gardens to enhance the outdoor living experience. The timeless elegance and comfortable design of Mediterranean homes make them a popular choice for those seeking a blend of classic beauty and modern amenities. Whether located in a coastal area or an inland neighborhood, these homes offer a relaxing and stylish retreat. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Hit the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos so you never miss out. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more exciting videos.
The voices in this recording were created with the assistance of OpenAI.